If the year is ending faster than your TBR, this video is for you. Hi guys, this is Simran. Long time no see. I know. I hope that you did not forget me. Actually, a lot has happened. It's time that I get back in track, and I thought why not make a video which could be really helpful to you guys, because I know a lot of you guys did not hit your Goodreads goal yet and the year is almost about to end. So today we are talking about 5 very interesting short books that could help you hit your Goodreads goal in a very positive note. So let's talk about the first book that is also one of my top 5s of this year, which is psychologically very unsettling book. I do not recommend it to a lot of people, but I'm only recommending this book to people who want to hit the Goodreads goal because it's short. You can actually read it in a PDF format. I was in a delusion when I was not reading the book, and once I read the book, I was in shock. I could not believe what I read. It is quite relevant even today. Despite the fact that it's a classic, it just broke my heart into millions of pieces. The second one is a very famous book about an unrequited love story, about a man falling in love and then eventually not getting what he actually wants. I don't know, for whatever reason, that you have to find out once you read the book, and it is The White Knights by Fyodor Dostoevsky. So the book is short, poetic, obviously, because it's a classic again, but a classic that is obviously readable. Okay, it's not like intimidating or anything as such. Once you start reading it, you fall in love with the writing and eventually fall in love with the character, and then you are heartbroken because it's an unrequited love story. So what else do you expect? So the number 3 book is by an Indian author. It is quite dark, haunting. I was flying through the book because of how gripping the book is. It's not like a thriller thing, but it's quite daunting in nature. The writing is very poignant. It almost feels like you're dreaming about the book, a dream that is quite unsettling in its own way. And the book that I'm talking about is Kabar by K.R. Mira. I think half the world already knows about the book, but if you haven't read the book, it's quite short. You can easily get through. So whenever I make a video as such, people always kind of are curious that why do I not recommend any psychological thriller. Now I am somebody who do not read a lot of thrillers, but this one kind of caught my attention, and I also kind of rescheduled my sleep timing because I wanted to finish the book in a single day, and trust me, I actually did. And the book that I'm talking about is The Cheating Husband by James Cain. And the last one is again among the top fives of my 2025 reading list. A book that is so brutally honest. It starts with a woman kind of eating her own husband or partner, whatever. That is one portion that kind of grabbed all my attention, and that is how I ended up reading the book in a spree. And the book also explores about grief, longing, and emotional hunger in so much depth. Once you are done reading the book, you will not be able to stop talking about the book, just as me. So these are all the short books that will help you hit that goal that you've been wanting to hit for the longest.